Hey, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I'm making the first cookie in our Teacher Appreciation Set series. So all of my icings are about a 15-second consistency, and I'm going to be making this pencil, and I'm going to start with piping in the lead, and then immediately while it's still wet, I'm going to take my tan colored icing and flood in the part that's right above the pencil lead. I don't want there to be any areas of separation between the pencil lead and the little bit of tan icing that I'm piping now, so I'm going to do it immediately. And the hole in my bag wasn't big enough, so I stopped and cut a bigger hole, and then I'll just keep flooding in this area. And once that's flooded in, I'll use my scribe to get the icing out to the corners and to wiggle the icing smooth, and then I'll continue on by piping in the rest of the pencil immediately. This is a wet on wet effect because the two areas are going to blend together that are touching each other, so it just looks like one solid surface of icing with no separation. And as you can see, I kind of made some points down into the tan area, so it looks like it does when you sharpen a pencil and it peels away the outer edge. And again, I'll be using my scribe to settle the icing down and to pop any air bubbles. This is really an important step, and it's something I add in these videos even though you might get tired of watching it, because I don't really believe in leaving anything out. If you're trying to learn how to decorate cookies, you need to know that there are more steps than just flooding your cookie with icing and calling it good. So I skipped the gray metal area on the pencil and I piped in the eraser, and then I let the cookie dry for about 15 minutes before coming back and now adding in the gray area. And then I'll let this area dry and I'll come back in and add the lines on the pencil. So I'm using my same 15-second icing to make the lines. I did put my bag into another bag so I would have a smaller hole, because I did not want as big of a hole as I was using to flood the cookie, and I just piped some lines and I let them dry completely. And now that they're dry, I'm taking some edible paint in silver and I'm painting the gray area so it looks more metallic. And then I let my cookie dry completely, and I'm just going to use this heart royal icing transfer that we made in a different video and apply it to the cookie, and this adorable pencil cookie is done. I hope you enjoyed these videos. Be sure to check out the other tutorials in the set. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll hit the like and subscribe button. I have new cookie tutorials every week. Bye.